Welcome back to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to show you how to customize notification sound on Android to give your device a personal touch. Changing your alert tones is a great way to stay organized and recognize different alerts, so now let's get started. For step 1, you need to open your device and go to the Settings app, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This menu acts as the central hub for all your phone's configurations and is where we begin the customization process. In step 2, scroll down through the list and click on Sound and Vibration to access your audio preferences. This section is vital because it controls the volume levels and haptics for every type of alert your phone generates. Next, for step 3, you will tap on Notification Sound to see the specific library of tones available for your alerts. Locating this specific option allows you to differentiate your standard notifications from your ringtones or alarm sounds. Finally, for step 4, browse the list of available audio files and then choose any sound that you'd like best. Selecting a unique tone here ensures that you can immediately identify when you receive a message without even looking at your screen. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.